Okay, I'm going to record objective 1 of the preview. This is going to be over the triangle sum theorem and classification of triangles. So it says classify the triangle by the sides and the angles. So I want to look at my sides and I want to see if they're the same, if they're different. If they are different, are they all different? Are they all the same? Or do I have two sides the same? And what I see is I have 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. That means I have an equilateral triangle, so I'm going to look for equilateral. And all of my angles are less than 90 degrees, which makes them acute. So equilateral and acute. Okay, so I am identifying and classifying my triangle by the sides and angles again. This time I have 6.1, 8.7, and 7.4. They are all different. That makes it scalene. All different sides are scalene, and all of my angle measures are less than 90. That makes it acute. So this is a scalene acute triangle. Then we have our triangle sum theorem. So all the in a triangle 180 degrees. So if I have 50 plus 80 and I'm missing 1, it's my question mark, adds up to 180. That gives me 130 plus my question mark equals 180. And I subtract 30 from both sides to solve for my question mark. And 180 minus 130 is 50. So I'm going to drop down menu, and I do have 50 as a choice. Okay, another one with triangle sum theorem. So I'm going to add 125 and 20, get 145. I'm going to subtract that from 180 because I know all of the angle measures add up to 180. Got to borrow. And I get 35. So let me drop down my menu here, and 35 is an answer choice. And an objective one, here's an algebraic one. We have, again, the angles add up to 180. So this is going to be 40 plus 76 plus 71. All of that's going to add up to 180. So I'm going to add the numbers together. So the 40 and the 76, that adds up to 116. I'm going to add 71 to that. It gives me 187. So I get 187 plus x equals 180. Is that correct? Oops. Subtract 187. And it says I get x is equal to negative 7. I might have made a mistake on that one then. So technically it should be negative 7. Yep, I think I misadded for my answer down here. Okay, so this is the triangle sum theorem and classifying triangles.